Hello everyone. This morning we've got a telephone which, looking at it quickly, you would say, oh, it's a 706, but it isn't. It's a 706 lookalike. When they brought the 706 out, BT, or the GPOs it was then, other manufacturers made lookalikes that they would use on their own systems. In fact, these phones, being for non-GPO circuits, it would be illegal to actually run these on GPO lines. So here we go. You have to excuse me. Now this augments one of my entries on Flickr, which shows more detail. But nevertheless, it's a nice little phone. Let me show you more. Now, subtle differences. Now, they're different. They're circular in section, whereas a normal 706, these are square. The dial, look at it very careful, is outwardly slightly different. The distance between the finger stop and the 0, there's a little gap. Also, it's a non-standard dial. In fact, it wasn't even made over here. It's a German dial. So Pye used a German dial to fit on their phone. Now I'll give you the number of the phone. It's a model 1806. 1806. It was made by Pye in the 1960s. If you did look inside, and there is a picture of it inside on my Flickr page, it is totally different. The bell or ringer has just one coil with an adjustment done by a little screw at the front. So that part is different. Also, at the back, we're turning round. The case is held on by two screws, and it's a very firm fitting. In fact, it's a better fitting than the normal 706, which are normally held with screws on the top. Normally have two screws there. There is screws on these, but it is nothing to do with the case. Turning it over, normal looking back. It's got T89, which is obviously a part of the number. It's a plastic base, and as far as I can tell, it is a very similar base that the 706 used, but they've obviously modified it inside. The handset is a standard 706 type handset, and as far as I know, the inserts are virtually the same. So there we are. This is in grey, two-tone grey. The dial is just numbers only, which are at the back. A nice smooth operating dial, and the phone works perfectly. It's plugged into the socket in the hall, because what I do, I try and circulate most of these phones are on for so long, then unplug them and bring something else in. Anyhow everyone, I hope this makes sense. I'm trying to speed these up a bit. I've noticed that tend to be speaking rather slowly as if I'm sort of under the influence. I'm not, but that's what it sounded, so I'm trying to improve. Always trying to improve. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Any comments please make. Any suggestions please make. And thank you for watching. Thank you.